Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick clean with me. I'm going to focus on my main bathroom, my bedroom, and then my bathroom in my bedroom. I'm needing to get these things straightened up and cleaned up, and I wanted to get everything clean before I actually do a declutter in all these spaces because it's just, my bedroom is a nightmare. It's been a mess for a while. That's where like everything goes and we put everything in there. That's what's been happening lately. So I wanted to get it all cleaned up and everything before I did a deep declutter of my closet and underneath my bed, because I have totes underneath my bed full of clothes and things like that. So I wanted to get just everything cleaned up and organized. That way I can go in there and declutter everything. Now I'm going to move on to cleaning my shower. I don't know if you guys are like this, but we have 4 people in this house and 90 bottles of shampoo and body wash and I don't know whatever else. It's like everybody has to have their own separate thing. Or my daughter, normally she has like 9 different body scrubs in there. So I wanted to clean and get rid of the things that we don't use on a daily basis in here, and try to narrow it down to 1 or 2 body washes, because we had like literally, I don't know, I want to say a good 6 or 7 different kinds. It was a mess. So I wanted to get all of that cleaned up and just put in there what we use on a daily basis and put the rest of it in the hall closet. The other thing that I needed to add in here was a couple more of these command strips. They are actually made for the shower if you are looking for them. And I got mine at Walmart, and they're like in the bathroom area where you get like, I don't know, like towel racks and all that kind of stuff. They're over there. And I needed to hang a couple more up here because everybody was trying to hang all their loofahs off of one hook, and they would always fall and land in the bottom of the tub. It drove my husband crazy. So I had to put 3 more on there so we each have our own hook.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes.
Okay, now moving on to my bedroom, I'm going to go ahead and start with taking my sheets off, and I'm going to go and put those in the washer, and then I'm going to gather up all the dirty clothes that's throughout my room. It's mainly on my husband's side because he always takes his clothes off and leaves them right there. It drives me insane, but whatever. And then I'm going to just do tidying of the nightstands, my TV stand, or my fireplace in my room. That is a mess too. We just been setting stuff up there constantly. So I need to get all that cleaned. I need to dust. And then I have some clothes that I need to just put away.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to clean my windows. This is the only window I'm going to be able to clean today. I can't clean my other window because my bed is in front of it, and I'm going to have to pull it out in order to get it clean. I will clean that one whenever I do my declutter video, because my husband will be here and he'll be able to help me move my bed out. But I'm going to go ahead and get that window all done, clean the blinds, and then clean these two mirrors on both sides of the window, and then I'm going to move on.
Doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on?
Okay, so we're moving on to the small bathroom. I'm going to start with the mirror, get all this clean. And then I'm going to clean the cabinet and the sink on the bottom, change out my towels, vacuum, and mop. The other thing that I want to do soon is I might paint the little shelves that I have above my toilet. I might paint them white. I don't know. I keep going back and forth. I liked the wood look because it kind of brought out the brown that's in my tile, but I don't really know if I like that anymore. Let me know what you guys think. Should I leave it the way it is, or should I paint them white?
I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah, nah, now. Oh, nah, nah, now. For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, nah, nah. We ain't got the time. It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it gave you a little motivation to get rooms in your house clean and tidy. This was just a quick little video getting my bedroom and bathrooms in order before I go in and I declutter everything. I am getting into the spring cleaning, and the day that I shot this, we had the best weather, and it definitely got me in the mood to get things clean and decluttered and just feeling and smelling so fresh. Like, there is no better feeling than that. And I just needed to get my room and my bathrooms clean in order to have a clean space to go ahead and start decluttering. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already and you would like to, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.